Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the text size at the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. For that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol and then you hit the control center, and the part of the control center see always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point display. And a bit below here you will find the point font size and style. And here we are, you can increase the text size. I have done it already that you can follow the video better. But I recommend to you to don't increase it too much, because then you can't read sometimes some notifications and so on. So do it at maximum at this point here. What you can do as well is, let me go back here. What you can do as well is to increase items on screen zoom. Because then if you increase the text size, you need a bit more space for the larger letters, and here you can increase some items like text also stuff and so on. So just check it out, do it like you want to have, and yeah, so pretty nice. I hope I could help you with this video and answering your questions, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.